Today, I have an interesting puzzle. We have a chain made of 11 gears. The question is, can we rotate all the 11 gears simultaneously, or will all the gears in the chain rotate? You can pause this video if you want to solve it. The way we can approach this problem is to look at the first gear. So let's say this is the first gear, okay? And I'm going to make an assumption here. The first gear rotates in the clockwise direction. So it rotates this way, okay? And I'm just going to represent clockwise as with the letter C. Since the first gear rotates in the clockwise direction, the second gear will rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, okay? And if and I'm going to represent the anti-clockwise direction as A. And then let's say the third one, since this is anti-clockwise direction, it goes this way, this will definitely rotate this way, which is nothing but C. So here you can see a pattern: the clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, then this one will be anti-clockwise, okay? Then this one will be clockwise, we have anti-clockwise, this one will be clockwise, anti-clockwise, then clockwise, then anti-clockwise, then so this one is clockwise. So if this is clockwise, the next one should be anti-clockwise, or this is what we expect if the first gear rotates clockwise, but here we have an contradiction, right? First we made the assumption the first gear actually rotates clockwise, but as per our logic this should be anti-clockwise. So what it means is that there is a contradiction between our assumption and the real logic. So what we can say is this chain will not rotate. So the answer to the puzzle is no. However, one important aspect we need to learn from this puzzle is called parity. And parity here, since it is like 11 gears, okay, there is no movement in the gear. So what if we had one more gear? So let's say if you had one more gear here, okay, one more gear which is kind of like attached in between these two. So if this is clockwise, this will be anti-clockwise, and this again will be clockwise, which means that there is no contradiction, and the chain, all the gears in the chain will rotate. So if you had 12 gears, then there will be a rotation. So let's say if you have a puzzle, it shows that okay, I have like 512 gears, okay, in the chain. Now will the chain rotate? The answer will be yes. That is because it has even number of gears, or even parity. If they say, let's say 123 chains, so we don't need to go through each and every gear. If it is an odd number, we can say that the chain will not rotate. Hope you like this puzzle. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. As always, have a nice day ahead.